Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make light colors. To begin, select your desired base color. The key is to introduce white paint slowly and deliberately. Start with a small amount of white and mix it thoroughly. Observe the change in hue and continue adding tiny bits of white until you achieve your preferred light shade. This method ensures you have full control over the lightening process, preventing accidental overlightening. When lightening specific colors, the principle remains the same. For instance, to create beautiful pinks, simply add white to red. The more white you add, the lighter and softer the pink will become. Similarly, mixing white into blue will yield a range of light blues, from a gentle sky blue to a serene pastel. For greens, incorporating white transforms them into refreshing mint or sophisticated sage tones. Experiment to find your perfect shade. Here are some essential tips for successful color lightening. Always add your lighter color, usually white, into the darker base color, not the other way around. This gives you better control. Before committing, always test your mixed color on a small, inconspicuous area or a scrap piece. Also, remember that different whites, like titanium white versus zinc white, can subtly influence the final shade, so choose wisely for your desired outcome. For more advanced lightening, consider using a lighter version of your base color instead of pure white. For example, use a light gray to lighten black, creating nuanced charcoal tones. Another trick is to add a tiny amount of yellow to warm up a lightened color, especially blues or greens, preventing them from looking too cool. This adds depth and vibrancy. And speaking of bringing things to life, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.